Wow. It's about the end of the day right now. I would say it's the end of the day. But if you want some videos where I've got 1,000,000 points in Subway Surfers, the link is in the description to about 5 of the videos where I've got 1,000,000 points in, if you want to see them. But there's Captain Flash. But where's Clockwork Johnny? I saw a picture of Cyber TV putting Clockwork Johnny, how you can play as him. There's Captain Flash. There's Clockwork Johnny. But where's Captain Flash, bro? Big mistake. It's a big mistake not putting Captain Flash in for AGPG. Like, that's a big mistake, bro. Big mistake. I won't accept that. You need to put Captain Flash. I will wait for it. But if it's not there tomorrow, why didn't I put Captain Flash? Can you unlock him? Guys, I'll look for videos of how you can unlock Captain Flash. If it doesn't say that on Google, I'm going to look on YouTube. Actually, first I'll look on YouTube, then I'll look on Google. Well, I'll do a video of that. We've got Jai Young. We can use Jai Young. Look, we can use Jai Young. We can use her. But why couldn't we use Thursday Yudo? Can we use Utani Hell Queen Toads. Utani Hell Queen Toad. Let's use her. Let's see how good her gameplay is. Okay. Yes. Okay. We got a jetpack. Okay. Hey guys. Put a comment on this video if you want some more Mario Kart 7. Because there's this guy who plays Mario Kart 7. He subscribed to my channel. I'm able to see some people who subscribe to my channel. I'm not sorry guys, I can't see all of the people who subscribe to my channel. I'm really sad about that. But I think I can see it in my email account. Subscribed and who's like, if you're watching this video and not subscribed, thanks a lot for watching this video, and please subscribe. And I've noticed a lot of YouTubers have lost a lot of subscribers. One lost 2,000 subscribers. He plays Subway Surfers as well. One lost 100,000 subscribers. One, he plays Mario games. He's called ZX Manny. He lost 200,000 subscribers. I feel so sorry for him. He literally has 500,000k now. But before, he had like 700,000k. That was so bad. Wow. I know YouTube is super unfair. I could get Festival Jake. Let's get some. Okay, so let's make the aim of this video to get more event coins. Okay, this is Iceland. Let's put the default on. Oh, this is good, bro. This is good. Let's put a little. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Let's use some score boosters, bro. Let's get some more school boosters. Score boosters. So silly. Why can't I say school boosters? Why can't I say school boosters? Why can't I say it? Like, it's really easy to say school boosters, but why can't I say it? Like, I can't say school boosters. That's its name. I can't say a normal word. I can't say school boosters. Why can't I say it? Like, I'm literally getting so mixed up with my words nowadays. I can't even say and without saying my words wrong. Like, can't, like, okay, have you ever heard of this? A shop. Seashell. She sells seashells. Like seashells. She sells seashells. Oh, seashells. She sells seashells. There's a game. You need to say it really fast. She sells seashells. She sells seashells. Seashell. Oh. Seashell. She sells seashells. Seashell. She sells seashells. Seashell. Seashells. Oh. Seashell. Oh. Seashell. Oh. Seashell. She sells seashells. Oh, yes. Now I'll do it faster. Seashell. Oh, I got it wrong. She sells. Whatever. Seashell. She sells seashells. Seashell. She sells seashells. She sells seashells. What's it? Oh, sheesh. Oh, what the? We've got like 5,000 points and it's been like so long. I feel like it's been like 2 minutes. We've got 500,000 points. If I'm right, check how long the video is. So there is going to be 5 videos in the description of me getting more than over 1 million points. Maybe with my voice and maybe without my voice. By over 1 million points, I mean, it could be 9 million. So I'll give the 54-minute video where I hit 9 million points on Subway Surfers. It's hard to give a view on that one because it's hard to watch the full video. But guys, let's do a marathon. Watch my videos for more than 10 minutes. Okay, guys? And then the next time you come on my channel, if it's like close to bedtime, like probably 5 or 6, you can do it tomorrow. if your bedtime's at 11 or 12, and then you wake up at 12. Like if your bedtime's at 12 when you wake up at 12, I wake up at 10 and I go to sleep at 8, 9 or 10, somewhere like that. But I definitely know that I go to sleep really late. I really struggle to get sleep nowadays. At least get some sleep. Well, anyway, what time is it now? It's probably something like 7 or 8, so it's late. Na 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 whatever. Singing a little, out of tune. Well, I've got over 1 million points, but I promise it won't be this video in the description. Can you do the same video that you've got in the description? I'll try. Let's see. I've got one more key, so I should have 21 keys. Let's lose now, guys. Even though I'm on a marathon. Let's lose, okay? Am I on a marathon or tag? I'm definitely on a marathon. I'm definitely on a marathon now. I've checked. I just checked just now. Okay. I could have got it to 2,300,000, but who cares? Who cares? Come on, bros. Let's do a screenshot. Is this a good screenshot for a thumbnail? Should you do a screenshot? Is that a good screenshot for a thumbnail? Is it good? Okay, bye guys. Remember guys, AGPG.